Ilan kayo dito? 5. Sa NBI kami.
Operatives of the National Bureau of Investigation rescued these women from a 5-star hotel in Malate, Manila. This was after uncovering an alleged honey trap and human trafficking plot scheme. The talent manager is now behind bars following the operation, but it did not end with just the arrest. Because the talent manager allegedly claimed that former Congressman Jing Paras ordered them to recruit women and fabricate smear campaigns against Executive Secretary Ralph Recto involving an alleged honey trap and human trafficking plot. The alleged payment for the smear campaign was 5 million pesos, according to the arrested talent manager. While the one allegedly funding it is Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste. Malacanang also hit back and said that if it is true that the people being identified as those behind the smear campaign against ES Recto planned this,
ito ay isang karimari-marim, hindi katanggap-tanggap, hindi makatao, makasarili, power-hungry.
former Representative Paras strongly denied the accusation, saying everything is a complete lie. He also said that in due time, he will answer and prove that all of this is merely fabricated. Representative Leviste also refuted this, saying he never spoke with the individuals implicating him in the human trafficking plot scheme. But the NBI deemed it best to issue a subpoena to both Paras and Leviste to hear their side of the story.
Anyway, there's already the admission and confession nung mga subjects. That's why they're being subpoenaed to clear the light kung ano bang participation nila talaga. Kung wala naman at inigi-imbento lang itong mga tao na ito, then we are willing to help them to prosecute these personalities.
ES Recto is also in coordination with the agency and will also send his personal lawyer for the upcoming investigation, according to Matibag. Meanwhile, if Paras and Leviste fail to show up, the NBI chief said that they would need to face whatever subsequent evidence comes to light.
I have to remind the public and everyone that si former Congressman Jing Paras and si Congressman Leandro Leviste were mentioned by the persons na nahuli natin. So as of now, as we speak, they're considered na wala pa talaga na sasabi may kasalanan. So ang punto natin dito, kung anong ebidensya, so they are entitled to due process.
The NBI is also looking into whether there are other victims or targets of the uncovered scandal plot. But they stated that as of now, it is clear that the subject of the apparent character assassination plot is ES Recto. Paras and Leviste are expected to appear before the NBI this coming Thursday, August 6. Sheila Natividad, for The Nation.